Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with the shadow fade tutorial on her hair. So I'm gonna start off by combing everything, and then I'm gonna use my 1.5 fully closed going against the grain to keep that dark look. Like I said, we're gonna shadow today as well, so we're just gonna keep everything dark and feminine. Start off by going against the grain, as you see. Basically preparing my canvas. Making sure I'm consistent and everything is even, so this fade can really pop, be a very smooth transition. So as you see in this video, man, I wasn't able to get my autofocus to really lock in, so now I'm going with it a different route, but I just definitely want to show you all this content because it's pretty dope how everything came out. Very nice, smooth transition on her fade today. So y'all lock in, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't judge me for this little stupid autofocus today, but as you can see, my other videos are pretty clear. Let's go. As you see, I'm just going over everything, making sure it's even to start off. So I'm just taking my time with that. Going over it as many times as I need to. So now I'm going lever fully open, staying up under her occipital bone. Just balancing everything out, as you can see. She's growing her hair right there on the side, so y'all do not judge her. If y'all ever want y'all lashes or facials done, she is over here in Salon Lofts as well, off Jonesboro Road, exit 221. Y'all go check her out. We are in the same building, so you know, iron sharpens iron. We're keeping the support flowing as well. So y'all go check her out. And she has a special for the end of the year. It's $55 for 55 minutes. So I'm starting to blend everything as I go, piece by piece. I guess my camera wanted to show off my merch or something like that, my artwork. As you can see, it keeps going out. But it is what it is. Like I told y'all, I'm not hiding or filtering out anything. It's just gonna be the raw and uncut video, so. Just staying consistent with it, as you can see. Just like that. You can slowly see how the blend is coming together, piece by piece. Yes, sir, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, lock in. Yes, sir. Look at the trimmers, man. Stop playing. If you ever need your trimmers or clippers modified, sharpened, or anything like that, let me know. DM me on Instagram at bjscuts with 2 Z's, bjs.cuts with 2 Z's, or bigceo.bj. Y'all lock in. Yes, sir.